Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling with me, AB. In today's video recipe, I'm going to show you how I make my family's favorite. Listen to this. This is smoked deviled eggs without a grill. Hey, this right here is the X factor. And listen, this is Breville's, the smoking gun. This right here is what takes your deviled eggs, if you ask, in my opinion, takes you to the next level. Listen, if you guys want to see a more in-depth review on this product here, and when you guys leave a comment, go ahead at the end of your comment, put the number 7, and that'll tell me you guys want me to do a review. And if so, we get enough interest, I'll go ahead and make a video to show you guys what you can do with this and just how easy this is to operate. Let me go ahead and get right into the rating system. The rating system goes like this, from 0 to 10, 10 being the most difficult. Hey, I know you guys are thinking automatically, hey, how easy could this be? You know what I mean? I'm gonna go ahead and give this a 3. You know what I mean? This is like super simple. You start with boiled eggs and yada, yada, yada. Hey, we got to watch this video. I'm going to show you what I do to make my family go crazy over these smoked deviled eggs. So with no further ado, let's get it in.